A user in Deepser is an individual who interacts with the system, utilizing its features and functionalities. To create a new user in Deepser, you'll need to go to the menu System, Permissions, and then Users. In the screen that will open, you'll need to click on the Add User button. Now let's go through every field and its functionality. Avatar is the profile picture of the user. Username is the username of the user. This will serve to log in. First name, last name, and the email fields are self-explanatory. Password is the password of the user. The password is stored in a secure, non-reversible format. Password confirmation, it confirms the user's password. Like the previous field, this is also not valued. Active indicates whether the user is authorized to access Deepser or not. API token, this is the bearer token to access the Deepser's application programming interface. The role of the user, depending on the role, the user will have different visibilities on the various parts of the product. You can check our video on our channel for more information on roles. The startup page. This field indicates which is the default page to which the user will be redirected after logging in. The local indicates the language in which the user visualizes Deepser interface. Time zone. The time zone indicates the time zone associated with the user. It is important to indicate the correct time zone so that Deepser can correctly set the format of the dates. Company. The company field indicates which company the user belongs to. The company visibility. This field indicates if the user has limited visibility to the company data. The field is supervisor indicates whether the user will be a company supervisor or not. This was it for the users. See you in more videos like this.